PermaBASE Plus Cement Board is a rigid substrate made of Portland cement, aggregate, and glass mesh that provides an exceptionally hard, durable surface that is able to withstand prolonged exposure to moisture. The following installation video demonstrates how to correctly install PermaBASE Plus in a shower application. Measure the shower opening to determine the proper layout of PermaBASE Plus. Cut the PermaBASE Plus to length using a utility knife. Position against the framing. While ensuring there is 1/4 inch gap between the bottom edge of the PermaBASE Plus and the horizontal ledge of the shower pan, install PermaBASE Plus using 1 1/4 inch long cement board screws spaced 8 inches on center. Drive the screws flush with the surface of PermaBASE Plus. Do not overdrive the screws. Install the remaining PermaBASE Plus using this procedure. Apply a 4 inch wide, approximately 1/16 inch coat of modified thin-set mortar over the entire joint. Immediately embed 2 inch wide, alkali-resistant fiberglass mesh tape fully into applied bonding material and allow it to cure. For inside and outside corners, a minimum 2 inch wide alkali-resistant mesh tape is recommended. Apply a layer of modified thin-set mortar over the fastener heads. Your shower surround is now ready to be tiled. Install the tile using approved modified thin-set mortar and grout. For complete installation instructions, visit PermaBASE.com. Utilize PermaBASE Plus on your next project and see how it can make your tile installation go faster and easier.